So I'm always a bit skeptical when I see people perform miracle work on social media. And for some reason, out of the blue, I started getting videos on my feed about how you can restore these kind of old school screwdriver handles. Okay, this one isn't that bad, but this one is pretty ugly looking. But you can restore them by simply dipping them in acetone. So guess what? We're gonna try that today. Oh, I hate these secure lids. This was the toilet glass I have. I don't even know if I have enough to do this experiment. I guess that will have to do. That was all I had. Yeah, let's try. So this is what it looked like before. This one isn't that bad, to be honest. I don't know if it will have any real effect on this. Let's just try. Fuck it. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know about you, but I think that made it look worse. Hold on, I'm just gonna shake some of this off. That made the whole thing look dull. That made it worse. What the fuck? Alright, let's try that again. I mean, is this even... Yeah, the whole thing is like sandpaper now. What the fuck? Let's just try that again. Maybe I fucked up. Down and up. Like in the videos, they just sort of dipped them, and then they came out looking, well, not like this. Dude, what the hell? That looks awful. So since I'm an idiot, I'm gonna try it again on this one. This is what it looked like before, and I guess now it's about to look even worse. Didn't even fit all the way. Okay. And, well, it certainly made it wet. I don't know if... Just gonna try to touch it here. I have no idea what... I mean... that did improve the way it looked. So I guess it worked on this one. But yeah, that one is pretty sad looking. I'll just put this down. Right, let me try to store it like this. I have no idea what I'm doing, by the way. Let's see if I can find another one that looks like shit. Yeah, that'll do. That looks awful. Okay, let's try this one. So, that's it. That's what it looks like before, and... It's still wet right now, but at least on this one, someone drilled a hole in it. I'll try to shake it off here. Yeah, I mean, that does look better. Let's check back with this one. I mean, it does look better. Just gonna sort of hang them to dry here. If this will even work. No, it's not gonna work. Let's go that way. Oh, I have another one. There's 2 more here. I have another one here. Yeah, okay, alright. Let's try these. So this is before. Actually, this one isn't that bad. Well, fuck it, let's just dip it anyway. I just want to say, these are not screwdrivers I actually use. Wow. Okay, I'll put you there. Yeah, I don't know what happened with this one, but this one definitely did not like it. This also feels like a much cheaper plastic than these one does. Like, these are actually sort of nice to touch in terms of how the material feels. This just feels like cheap plastic, so maybe this one is just a piece of junk. Who knows? Honestly, I don't even know where I got these. I think some of these used to be my dad's, and yeah, honestly, I don't know. Maybe I got them from somewhere. Who the fuck knows anyway? This one is just full of crap. Okay, so this is before. And then you go. I mean, it does seem like it keeps this sort of wet look. I mean, it doesn't get all the little scuff marks and all that out, but it definitely makes it look nicer. Put this like that. Alright, last one. This is what it looks like before. What the hell does that even say? Padre. Padre. Never heard of him. Paint on there. Some crap on there too. Alright, fuck it. Who cares? I'll go for a dip. And yeah, I mean, it doesn't perform miracles, but it does. It gives it that wet look. It doesn't get any of the little scratches and scuff marks out, but let's put this guy here. Maybe not. Can I even? Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. What doesn't like to touch? Yeah, it's fine. I think I actually tried fast. What about this one? Yeah, that's dry. I don't. It looks like someone had something going on up here by drilling all sorts of weird holes in it. Not sure what they were doing. Oh, this one. Yeah, it does look way better. I'll give it that. But yeah, this one was not happy. I'll just try again just for the sake of it. But this, whatever material this is, really did not like the acetone. Yeah, it's already starting to dull up. Okay, so that one did not like it. Do I have any other ones I can try? These look brand new, so I'm not gonna bother. What about this one? What is this even? Oh, it's one of those. Yeah, okay, sure, why not? I mean, this one isn't that bad, but we're just gonna dip it anyway because we're stupid. Oh, I'm stupid. Whatever, who cares? Okay. Yeah, that actually almost made them look brand new again. Alright, so, I mean, these are like tools from, I think it's some I inherited from my dad, maybe one of my grandparents that passed away. But these are maybe from like the 70s, maybe 80s. It definitely improved these. I don't know what this is. There's no brand on it. And it feels a lot cheaper. Like this thing, there's no weight to it at all. Like, even this has some weight to it, but this thing just feels incredibly light. It's not very good quality screwdriver. This one too. What is this even? Klein. Yeah, this one looked brand new again. Okay, well, I mean, anything else? While we're at it, I mean, there's a few here. I mean, I can keep going, but I mean, at least on the better quality ones, it does seem to actually work. Okay, so there's one more. Yeah. I'm just gonna do all of them just to confirm the results, but I mean, it does seem to do its thing, as the video show. Yeah. Okay. Just gonna shake this one a bit, because it seems like once it is dried, it just sort of stays that way. So honestly, I mean, on at least what I would consider quality screwdrivers, this does seem to work. This one has a sort of regular plastic handle. This one isn't transparent as the other ones are. Just gonna see what happens with this. That's my light. Okay, my stupid phone here does not like to focus for some reason, so you're just gonna have to take my word for what's actually going on. But I don't see any change on this one. Yeah, that actually seems to be exactly the same. Okay, so I'll put that over here. But I mean, all of these, I mean, result speaks for itself. We can keep going. We can keep going here if I can find more. This one already looks spotty, so it's not really bothering. I thought I saw one. There was one. And there was some here too. Oh, these have that same sort of hard plastic feel as this one does, so I expect this one to dull up too, but let's just see what happens. I'll hold it below the light here so you guys can see. Yeah, and once again my stupid phone doesn't like the focus. I really don't see a difference on this one. Some areas it has dulled up a bit. Maybe this material just doesn't. Okay, let's try this one. I mean, to be honest, there isn't even a scratch on this one, so I don't think this one is worth testing. Let's see this one. Yeah, okay, there are a few scratches on this. I don't know if you can see. Let's just try this. See what happens. Why will my phone not focus? This is annoying. Honestly, I can't tell a difference on this one, so maybe this one just wasn't scratched enough. How does this one look? Yeah, and it also looks completely spotless like this other one. But yeah, I mean, this one I couldn't tell difference. This one just looks like shit. These two I couldn't tell difference, but all of these cleaned up very nicely, so I'll let you guys decide if this is myth confirmed or not, but it definitely worked on these. So yeah, thanks for watching.